I don't even think this is even a bold prediction. It might be bold for the neutrals or those that maybe aren't too, in tune of what Paraguay has been doing aside from results. But if you look at history, if you look at kind of this like raising their level, I think Paraguay can do it. I think Paraguay are going to beat Argentina. I'm going to say it right there. It's going to be one of those really tight games, similar to the old Paraguay games that we always play against Argentina. I see that kind of level. So I'm going to say Paraguay are going to win 1-0. And I think it's going to be Tony Sanabria that's going to be the hero once again against Argentina, kind of the revenge game, if you want to say that. Even makes it even a revenge game. But I think Tony puts himself in the pantheon of the famous heroes that have beaten Argentina, Darius Gonzalez, Roque Santa Cruz, Cavanias, Aedo Valdez, even players like Toro Acuna who scored against them. Chilavert, big game. He scored against Argentina as well. I think Tony now enters into that pantheon of players who've been able to get famous results against Argentina, and we get the 3 points over there in Sajon.